Suddenly I see how hard I've worked for all these years to keep my mind and me so far apart. Save yourself from reckoning, or save me from surrender. I don't know where I should start. Suddenly I see how hard I've worked for all these years to keep my mind and me so far apart. Save yourself from reckoning, or save me from surrender. I don't know where I should start. Suddenly I see how hard I've worked for all these years to keep my mind and me so far apart. Save yourself from reckoning, save me from surrender. I don't know where I should start. You're stuck in your prime, and looks they will fade. You've had a great life, but you don't see it that way. You want to escape, keep running away, but life's waiting for you. Why not face it today? Listen, girl, you got your life to live, and we all know we play a part in it. And some days get a little tough, and you're gonna feel like you've had enough. But if you come home to nothing, you will find it hard to be happy soon. And everything that you thought was true comes crashing down like you don't want it to. But if you let us and open up and just be honest and start to trust, we have your hand no matter what. Even when life gets really tough, it's not a game that we are playing. Just reflect and stop the shaming. No one wants this, especially you. If you don't think we care, then you're the fool. If you don't think we care, then you're the fool.
Wow. Wow. Tại vì nó đã dán keo vô đây á, cái len nó bị trồi. Không sao tôi sẽ.
If they don't tell you the truth, you'd rather them lie than say they don't like what you do. But that's no way to live, and I know it might hurt, but the truth of it hurts. True love sometimes burns. Let it burn deep down, let it burn deep down, let the truth come out, let the truth come out, let it burn deep down, let it burn deep down, let the truth come out, let the truth come out.
Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me some of that, oh. Gonna steal your picture, just so you know I miss you. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gotta wake up, give me a pinch, yeah. Wasting time, I'm lonely, dying so slowly. Can't you come home to me? 'Cause without you days feel like months, and I've been drowning in my own apartment, driving on my own, because it's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. I'm longing for your escape. It's calling me every day. Come by my side today. I can't help myself today. It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day.
It's real late, I'm awake and shit. Ella in my head, plus it's so loud in here. Underneath these LED lights, and I'm glistening and stumbling towards you. Take a drive from the blunt, make a day with it. I can spend a long time looking at the shape of it. No original thoughts, I can get away from it. My head is stuck on you. It's way too for the nightlife. Dissipate in the daytime. Regroup from a still night. There's another man on my mind. It can't help, don't feel nice. Damn, says I need to get right. Now what my heart wants, but I'm on the way again. And thinking, my God, I'm okay with this. No, on that temporary fleeting feeling shit. So I'll take another sip on my way to him. I'm still thinking about you. Other dudes talking slick and shit. You know I love a smart mouth, gonna run away with it. No, when I might just feel better for the day, but shit, I'm putting it on you. It's way too for the nightlife. Dissipate in the daytime. Regroup from a still night. There's another man on my mind. It can't help, don't feel nice. Tim says I need to get right. Now what my heart wants, but I'm on the way again. Because players don't cry.
Sorry, yeah.
Come on, baby, roll me up. Take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit.
in the corner store light. They keep on all the time when it's closed, like your eyes, when you say the thing that's really on your mind. At your core, you see me like you've never seen a friend before. You got a girl, but it make you think that maybe you want more. You like to please a crowd, I promise you they won't find out. Said your mom wouldn't be too proud. You're still smoking, drinking, screaming, shout. Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. Think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit. I want what I can't have, so I dilute the things you do, project the way I feel on you. And now I'm self-aware enough to know the truth, but not to stop. Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit. Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit.
Okay, growing up I read books about enchanting bliss, falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in me, hair flickers everywhere. The fire just can't be. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out there, come find me. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite magic, wonder, thunder, striking through my heart. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, looking in his eyes. Why is it seen as naive if I think it's all real? That when you know, you just know, the butterflies you feel. It's not out of touch if what I want is something that I deal. When he's the one, I'll be done, my heart forever sealed. I'm not one to be patient, but I'll patiently wait. What's the point of a romance if it's not there to stay? I should probably mention that I'm perfectly fine being alone for a lifetime. This is perfectly right. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly.
It's our sense.
It's a mess now, wasting all my time on you. Killing all my hopes for you, boy, why you playing? 7 months have passed by, used to see me on the low. Why don't you just let them know things we share that begs to show? Oh, let me remind you, oh boy, let me bring you to that night, the night you keep looking straight into my eyes till I lose my mind and kiss you in the light. That night you shine, we fade, whisper through the night. That night you shine, we fade, whisper through the night. Think I'm so into the vibes around you, babe. You can turn me on in the middle of the night when the lights turns on. There's no time to waste. Just hold my hand and feel it all night long. Oh, let me remind you. Oh, let me bring you to that night, the night you get looking straight to me till I lose my mind and kiss you in the light. You shine, we fade, whisper through the night. That night you shine, we fade, whisper through the night. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember?
Dark side of the moon, behind the eyes of a grinning goon. Pull the cord from the wall. It was all but over. You don't have to want me to go. You don't have to want me to go. You don't have to want me to go. You don't have to want.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No less, no more saving things. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't leave me the nights wanna get out. 'Cause I really hate you. 'Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door, straight through the wall.